Okay, so I think all of you are able to see the PDF. So here, after the reception, we have to see the advantages and disadvantages of the MSK signal compared to QPSK. So the MSK baseband waveform are smoother as compared to QPSK. Why it is so? Because the smaller lobes are very less in comparison with the main lobe. Okay, so here MSK signal have continuous phase in all the cases, whereas QPSK has the abrupt phase shift. As we have seen in the case of QPSK, that there is a very frequent change in the phase. Okay, so जो भी वो phase जो भी हमने देखा था 5/2 का phase change था. And in MSK waveform we have the amplitude variation, whereas QPSK signals have abrupt amplitude variations. Okay, so main lobe is wider than that of QPSK. In the case of MSK, the main lobe is wider for the case of in comparison with the QPSK signal, and the MSK has the main lobe with around approximately 99% of the signal energy. Okay, as we have as I have already told you that as the main lobe consists of higher energy, then there will be very less interchannel interference. Okay, so for the case of MSK, the main lobe consists of approximately 99% of the signal energy, whereas in QPSK, 90% of signal energy will be contained by the main lobe. Okay. Yes, we have seen this. That's MSK. In MSK, the side lobes are smaller. Already discussed that. So interchannel interference because of side lobes is significantly large in QPSK. क्योंकि QPS के केस में जो साइड लोब्स हैं that will be comparatively bigger than the case of MSK signal. So to avoid interchannel interference due to side lobes, QPSK needs band pass filtering. Okay, whereas it is not required in case of MSK signal. Yes. Okay, next is the band pass filtering changes the amplitude waveform of QPSK. Band pass filtering से क्या होता है? It changes the amplitude of the waveform of QPSK because of abrupt change in the phase. Okay, this type of problem is not there in the MSK. So MSK has eliminated a number of disadvantages which may occur in case of QPSK signal. Instead, there are many advantages. There are some disadvantages or drawback of this method also, that we can see that it is more complex and more. The bandwidth of MSK is 1.5 FB. Okay, we have not seen that, but as I have going through some introduction part of this MSK, so you have to know that the bandwidth of MSK is 1.5 FB, which was FB for the case of QPSK. Okay, and generation and direction of MSK is slightly complex in comparison with the QPSK signal. So I will share the PDF. We can go through the theoretical part in elaborative way. So I will share the PDF of all these topics, the PSK, that is PSK, BPSK, QPSK, and MSK. You can go through all the theoretical part. And also there will be some mathematical portion, and these are quite easy to calculate. So for today, this is over now. In the next class, we will go through some numerical questions again, which are from the gate. Okay, as all of you know that it may become mandatory to appear in gate, because GATE is a very crucial exam for the competitive point of view, and all of you should prepare for that. So, and I think this is the time. This is a very main time from which you have to start preparing for exams like GATE. ये सभी के लिए जरूरी है कि आप लोग अभी से ही गेट के लिए प्रिपेयर करो. अदरवाइज आप ये सोचोगे कि लास्ट सेमेस्टर में हम प्रिपेयर करें तो यू विल नॉट गेट दैट मच ऑफ टाइम इन दी फाइनल सेमेस्टर, बिकॉज फाइनल सेमेस्टर्स में आपको प्रोजेक्ट करना होता है मेनली, और स्टूडेंट्स कैंपसिंग के लिए भी इधर उधर जाते हैं. तो मे बी उस समय तक सिचुएशन क्या रहेगा, बट यू विल नॉट गेट टू मच टाइम फॉर योर द गेट प्रिपरेशन. सो ये एकदम सही समय है आप लोगों के लिए गेट का प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए, क्योंकि फ्रॉम द सेकेंड ईयर इटसेल्फ यू हैव स्टार्टेड मोस्ट ऑफ द कोर पेपर्स. ओके, जो भी कोर पेपर्स हैं आपके वो सेकेंड सेमेस्टर से ही शुरू होते हैं. तो ये जरूरी है कि आप लोग अभी से ही गेट के लिए प्रिपेयर करो अपने आप को, सो दैट यू विल नॉट हैव टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क एट द टाइम ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन. ओके, so from tomorrow onwards we will go through a number of numericals which will important from the point of view of GATE as well as your university exams. तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट करता हूँ कि सभी लोग उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करोगे, और देयर विल बी सम क्वेश्चंस व्हिच यू हैव टू कम थ्रू. तो आप लोगों के पास गेट का भी बुक्स है? आप लोगों में से किसी ने रखा है कोई मटेरियल? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So अगर किन्हीं आप लोगों में से किन्हीं के पास भी अगर गेट का मटेरियल है, अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन बैंक है या गेट से कोई मटेरियल है, तो आप उससे अभी से ही शुरू कर दो पढ़ाई करना. ठीक है? ओके देन, सो वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू.
Okay, thank you, sir.